Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about data types in NumPy. So obviously before we start with the actual program, first we have to understand some terminology. Like here small I means integer or b means boolean, then u means unsigned. So in NumPy we use the data types in this way actually. Okay, and likewise also you all can see here capital S is there. It is for actually string. This is capital U is for Unicode string and etc. Okay, so we have a small program over here right now. Import numpy as np and a is equal to np.array. Okay, in which we have some numbers like 15, 20, 30, 40, etc. And we have one more array, that is b is equal to np.array, but in that we have some values in the form of string like pencil or pen or eraser, and then we are printing not the values or answer of a, but we are printing data type. So what exactly you have to write is d-type, just to print it is of which data type. Okay, so that means these values are of which data type: integer, float, string, etc. So we are printing for a as well as we are printing for b. So obviously from here we can say that it is integer and what string. So control S and F5. Yeah, so it is showing integer for the first one. It is showing capital U, and there is one number also 6. Now why? Because see, capital U stands for Unicode string. That is the one thing. And why that number is 6? Because you all can see here there are total 3 values: 1, 2, and 3. Now in each values, like if we count the characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here 6 characters are there. Here 3, and here 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So maximum characters in these strings are 6. If you want, if we increase, for example 3 I have increased, so it will be 9 obviously. So control S and F5. So now it is showing U, but it is showing what? 9. Okay, so this is how you can check for the data types. Okay, the next thing is, suppose you want to specify your data types. Okay, then you can do that easily. Suppose if I write over here comma d type equal to, and if I write in single quotation capital S. Okay, and capital S is for which purpose? String. So let's check the output of the only A right now, not B actually. So we'll put that B part in comment section. Okay, control S. Okay, and F5. See, it is what? S. Now it is not integer. We have converted that into which data type? String. And why it is showing 2? Because of the length. See here, 2 digit maximum. Suppose if I have a 1 digit like this. Okay, control S, F5. It will be S and 1. See. Okay, and if you want, you can write also data type is equal to I, integer for I, and then form indicates you want 4 bytes, you want 8 bytes, etc. So control S and F5. See, it is integer and 32. But for example, if you want 8 bytes, because we know that 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So 8 into 8 is 64. See, we are getting integer and we are getting what? 64, because it was like I8. Okay. Now next thing is converting your data type into the on existing arrays, actually converting data type on existing array. So obviously we have one inbuilt function, that is a.astype, that is array specified type method. So what is the meaning of this a.astype function? It creates a copy of the array and allows you to specify the data type as a parameter. Okay, so how it is possible, we'll do over here only. Suppose you have values 1 2 3 4 like this only. Okay, and you have one more variable b is equal to, we are creating a copy of this a, so b is equal to a dot array. Okay, and then obviously not, sorry, not array, as type actually, okay, because it is array specified type. And suppose you want this in some other format, okay, instead of what you can say, uh, instead of integer, suppose you want in some other format like boolean or something like this, then inside the bracket you can write, suppose for example, bool, for example. And then if we print a as well as if we print data type of b or whatever you want to print, you can print easily. Suppose if I print a dot data type, it will print the data type of this. And if I write print and if I write only b, okay, so control s and f5. See, first of all, the print a dot data type, it is integer 32 and true, 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 because the values are 1, 2, 3, 4. If the value is 0, then only you will get what? False. Otherwise, you will get true. So control S, F5. See, for 0 only we are getting what? False. But otherwise we are getting what? True. Suppose you have a data in the floating point format. Suppose 1.1, 2.1, 3.1 and 4.1. And you are interested in converting in integer. So you can write int also. Okay, control S. Okay, and F5. See, we are getting first of all data type as a float initially, but we have converted into what? Integer. So this is how you can easily convert also. And if you want, then you can write in single quotation I also, because I stands for integer, B stands for boolean, and etc. So control S and F5. See, we are getting still the same output only. So that is all about the data types of NumPy in Python. Thank you everyone.